And then from here, our next task would be account lockout threshold attempts. Let's go edit the user policy again. Then let's go to policies of computer configuration. Let's go to Windows settings and then security settings again. Let's go to account policies and then the account lockout policy, account lockout threshold. As stated in our requirements, 3 invalid logon attempts. So here, let's set it to 3. Apply and then OK. Then our next task would be the reset account activation lockout. Let's click edit and then policies, Windows settings, security policies, and then account policies again. Let's go to account policy, account lockout policy, reset account after 30 minutes. Let's apply. Huh. Let's go to 30 minutes, apply, and then OK. Now let's remove links and access links to Windows Update. So here we have separate tasks for user and admin. For user, we'll enable it. Now to enable it, we go to here, user's policy, user configuration, and then administrative templates, Windows components, and then let's find Windows Update, here Windows Update, and then the remove links to and access to Windows Update. Here, let's do this, let's edit this, and then for the user, we will enable it. Apply, OK, let's X this. Then our next task is this one. Remove network connections from start menu. User policy, and then user configuration, policies. Then we'll go to administrative templates, start menu and taskbar. Here, start menu and taskbar. And then let's find the remove network connections. Remove network connections from start menu. Here, remove network connections from start menu. Let's edit this. For the user, we will enable it. Apply, OK. And then our next task is remove help menu from start menu. So user configuration, here, let's find it. Remove help menu. Here, states that we should enable it for the user. Apply, OK. Then our next task is remove run menu from start menu. Remove run menu from start menu. Here, we will enable it for the user. Apply, OK. And then our next task is remove my pictures icon menu. Here it is, remove pictures icon from start menu. Let's enable this. Apply, OK. Then our next task is remove music icon from start menu. Here, remove music icon from start menu. Let's enable this. Apply, OK. The next task is remove network places icon menu from start menu. Here it is. Let's enable it. Then the next task is add log off on start menu. Enable. Add logout menu on the start menu. We'll enable this and then apply. Okay. Then our next task is remove task manager from Control Alt Delete. Let's X this. Let's click user policy and then on user configuration, let's go to policies, administrative templates, system, administrative templates, and then here we'll go to system, and then let's find the control alt delete options. System control here, control alt delete options, and then let's going to remove task manager from the, and here remove task manager, and from our task, it says that we'll enable it for the user. Let's enable it, apply, okay. Then our next task is the Internet Explorer title bar domain name. And then here, let's go to users policy. Let's click edit, policies, Windows settings, Internet Explorer maintenance, user interface, and then let's customize our browser title to domain name. Our domain name is test.com. Let's click OK, and then let's click X. Then our next task is prohibit access to properties of components, LAN connections. So to do this, let's go to user configuration, policies, administrative templates, and then network connections. And then let's find the prohibit access to properties LAN. Here it is. Oh, let's go back. Prohibit access. Let's enable this. Apply, okay. And then our next is prevent access to the command prompt. To do that, let's X this. User policy, edit, and then policies, user configuration, policies, administrative templates, system. Then let's find the prevent access to registry editing tools. Let's enable it, apply, okay. Then our next task is prevent access to registry editing tools. Let's X this. Here, let's edit this. It's already enabled. It's already enabled. And then here, prohibit access to the control panel. Now to do that, let's go to user configuration again. Policies, administrative templates, control panel. And then from our control panel, we'll go to the prohibit access to control panel. Let's edit this. And then in our task, it says that should enable it. Since it's already enabled, then we're done for the user's policies. Next is the admin policy. Now, for the admin tasks, we'll be starting here back to task N. It's going to take a while, but we'll be doing the same steps as we did for the user, just that we're going to disable it for the admins. Now, let's begin. After doing all of this, let's click X. And then here, you can choose to enforce this. Now let's enforce this. It's your policy. Okay. And now let's enforce this admin policy. So that's it for the group policies task.